Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing tips for replacing the positive crankcase ventilation valve on this 2020 Kia Sportage. If you haven't done so already, please check out my video, Secrets to Planning and Auto Repair. Now let's get started. Okay, you might ask, what are some of the symptoms of a bad positive crankcase ventilation or PVC valve? Well, the most obvious symptom of a bad valve is the performance of your vehicle will gradually decrease. This will be exhibited by a buildup of pressure in the exhaust, or the engine could simply stall out. A bad valve may not close all the way and allow gas to flow into the piston combustion chamber, causing excessive oil consumption or white smoke to be emitted from the tailpipe. A stuck or closed valve may cause leaks around oil seals or gaskets, producing multiple pools of oil beneath the vehicle. Moisture and sludge may also be present. Okay, let's talk about our supply list. Of course, we'll need the appropriate positive crankcase ventilation valve, and I have that found in the description below. We have our pliers. We have a 13/16 inch deep socket and a 3/8 inch ratchet. So let's go ahead and locate and replace our valve. Our valve is found underneath the engine cover, and the engine cover is held in place by 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to use 2 hands at each location to lift the cover. Here's the valve right here. So you're going ahead and simply loosen the clamp, slide it back in that direction, slide the hose off. You're going to use your deep socket with your ratchet. And there you have it, your valve. Now listen to the rattle. That indicates a fully functional valve. If this valve was sticking or dirty, you would just replace it and put a new valve in here. Now let's go ahead and replace this valve. There you go. And tighten. And that's it. I would not use this. No, would not use this. Just this and this. Done. Next, go ahead and reattach the hose. Perfect. Then you're going to take your clamp, put it right here, and that about wraps up the replacement of the valve. You're going to go ahead and put your cover back in place. There you go. And this about wraps up our video on the replacement of the positive crankcase ventilation valve on this 2020 Kia Sportage. I hope you found my tips to be helpful, and until next time, drive defensively.